Hello, my beautiful families. Welcome back to our channel. My new subscribers, you are all welcome. My returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for always tuning in. So, guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do zigzag cornrow, or it's also called snake cornrow. So guys, please stay tuned and watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any step of doing this lovely cornrow. Firstly, you need to achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead and moisturize your scalp with any of your oil, shea butter. After moisturizing the scalp, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair. So first thing, as a beginner, for you to achieve this lovely cornrow, you start from the middle and you section it in into two, as in into two equal parts. You section it into two. After that, you weave one small cornrow at the middle for you to achieve a proper sectioning. So after that, you go ahead and you cut a bigger one aside. Then you apply your cream as well. After applying your cream, you go ahead and you begin to pattern in it small small. Then you use your cream just to demarcate it for the hair not to mingle together. After that, you begin to do the cornrow, as you can see what I'm doing here right now, guys. So you begin to cornrow the hair, then you begin to follow the sectioning. Then you begin to turn around. You can't just stay in a place and begin to weave the hair. You follow the way you section it, and you begin to do it in a scalloping method or zigzag method or snake method. So guys, can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, it's very easy to achieve, only if you can watch this video from the beginning to the end. So guys, that is how you keep going with this lovely cornrow. As you can see, you can achieve this lovely cornrow on a natural hair, and you can achieve it on a permed hair. This particular one I'm doing here is natural hair. So guys, please note this: whenever you are doing natural hair, you need to be very careful while you're combing it, not to break the hair. You need to, there's a way you comb natural hair. So I'm not going to that side today, but I'll definitely show you guys later how to comb natural hair, the proper combing of natural hair. I'll still show you guys. I'll do the tutorial, but I'm not going there today. This is where I'm going to today, just to show you guys how to do the zigzag hair method. So guys, please stay tuned and let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this hairstyle. If the hairstyle is helpful, please let me know in the comment section. And whenever you are doing this hairstyle as a beginner, you don't need to rush yourself. Just be calm and just watch this video and you understand what I'm telling you guys. Can you see? So when you're done with the zigzag, you go ahead and do small cornrow just all back. So you're doing this cornrow as well, just to beautify the zigzag and to make it neat for you. Can you see, guys? When you do one zigzag, you go ahead and do one ordinary weaving, so just to beautify the hair as well. So now, can you see the one we've done so far? You begin to section it. You take one up, you take one down. Can you see? You section it, you take one up, then you take one down, and you use your cream just to divide it for the hair not to mingle together, and it will be very easy for you when you are doing it. Can you see, guys? You take one up, you take one down. Yeah, can you see? And when you're done, you apply your cream. After that, you begin to follow the pattern and you begin to do the cornrow. Can you see? You're not staying in a place to do this particular zigzag. Yeah, and make sure your patterns are well packed for the hair to be neat. Can you see, guys? Yeah, that is how you keep going with this lovely cornrow. It's very, very easy to achieve only if you can pay attention. As a beginner, you find it very difficult, but when you keep on practicing it, you find it very, very easy to do. So, guys, this is the one I've done so far. Can you see? It's very, very neat. This is Zig-Zag Cornrow, as you can see. Then you go ahead and begin to do the same thing on the other side. The reason why I asked you to divide it into two as a beginner, for you to achieve a proper pattern, because when you start from the side you find it difficult, the pattern will not be accurate. So guys, can you see? And this is the last one we are doing, guys. It's very, very easy. Please let me know in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, that is how you keep going with the lovely hairstyle. You can do this lovely hairstyle for your kids. You can also do it as an adult. You can go out with it, can use it to wear wig. And this is the final look of the hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here. And please let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the hairstyle. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. So guys, this is the final look. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you, and I'm glad to have you here as well. Thank you so much. Queen and Nikki is telling you bye bye.